You suck as a software engineer if you don't know the difference between partitioning and sharding. A product launches, traffic starts growing, and suddenly the database is slowing down. Queries that used to take milliseconds now take seconds. Everyone starts saying the same thing. Let's split the database. All right, but split it how? The simplest version is partitioning. You still have one database server, one database, one machine. But instead of keeping all users in one giant table, you split the data into smaller chunks inside that same database. Maybe users A to M go into one partition and N to Z go into another. This works fine at first because the database has less data to scan for each query. But here's the interesting part. The machine itself hasn't changed. CPU, memory, disk space, still the same box. Traffic keeps growing. The server starts sweating again. Now we have a different problem. At this point, I'd probably introduce sharding. Instead of splitting data inside one database, we split data across multiple database servers. User 1 to 1 million might live on server A, the next million on server B. Now, storage, CPU, and query load are spread across many machines. Without sharding, eventually one server becomes your bottleneck no matter how well you partition the tables. So partitioning helps you organize and query data better inside a database. Sharding helps you scale beyond the limits of a single database server. Takeaway: partitioning splits data within one database. Sharding splits data across many databases. One improves organization, the other unlocks horizontal scale.